Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to use RBC Avion points for travel. First of all, log into RBC Rewards through the RBC app or rbcrewards.com. Tap Book Travel to browse flights, hotels, car rentals, and vacation packages. Pick your trip, then choose Pay with points to use your Avion rewards. Not enough points? No problem. You can combine points with your RBC credit card to cover the cost. Review your booking, confirm, and you're ready to travel. And that's it. Use your RBC Avion points for travel and start your adventure today. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.